Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 versus Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Samsung, one of the biggest tech giants, recently launched its latest Galaxy Z Flip 6 series at the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked 2024 event. However, one of which the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 has been announced with a pack of innovative upgrades and features, and it's time to compare it to its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Flip 5. While the Galaxy Z Flip 5 was a significant update to the Z Flip series, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 offers even more significant improvements. But is it worth the higher price tag? Let's find out. Design and durability. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 share the same size and weight, as it features a 6.7-inch FHD inner screen and a 3.4-inch outer display. However, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 has improved durability with Armor Aluminum and Gorilla Glass Victus 2, making it more resistant to dust and water. Cameras. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is packed with a 50MP main camera compared to the 12MP camera on the Galaxy Z Flip 5. This upgrade will offer higher resolution photos for the users and an effective 2-time lossless zoom mode. The ultra-wide camera on the Galaxy Z Flip 6 also offers 4K video and better low-light performance. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is integrated with a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, 12GB of RAM, and a vapor chamber cooling system, making it more efficient than the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Battery and charging. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 has a larger 4000 mAh battery, which could provide better battery life. However, charging speed remains the same, as both of the smartphone offers 25-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging capabilities, software, and special features. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 ships with an Android 14 that's an upgraded version from the previous Android 13, which was introduced in the Galaxy Z Flip 5. It also offers new Galaxy AI features like interpreter mode and real-time translation. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 can be updated to Android 14, but will not receive as many software updates as the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Pricing of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is priced at $1,049. That's the same price as the $999 Galaxy Z Flip 5 was at launch in the UK. But in the US, the Z Flip 6 is now $100 more. The price may grow more as the Z Flip 5 is no longer the latest model.